Hi guys, it's Emilia and this is How To with the Leonardo da Vinci Center. For today's recipe, we're making French toast with chantilly cream and raspberries.
So the first thing that we have to do is crack 2 eggs into the bowl, and we're just going to give them a little whisk just to break down the yolk. Add in vanilla extract and give it a whisk. To sweeten, I added in maple syrup, but you can add in whatever sweetener you'd like and give it a whisk. Here I'm adding milk and some powdered cinnamon, and then I'm going to whisk until everything is incorporated. In a medium-high heat pan, add some butter. We're going to dip our brioche bread into our mixture and place it in the pan to get a nice color. Do the same to the other piece, making sure every side gets enough liquid. We're going to cook it for a few minutes on each side till it's crispy. I found the pan to be dry, so I added a little knob of butter. When you find the colors ready and nice and golden, we flip it around and cook it on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that egg mixture gets cooked. To finish dressing, I added some maple syrup and our chantilly cream. You could find our recipe on TikTok, some fresh raspberries, and icing sugar. Enjoy!